Alright, so they gave us one of the angles, right? What's the angle that they gave us in the problem? A. Exactly. Here's A. A is equal to 120 degrees. So that's the first thing that I'm going to start with. I was going to look for a marker, but that's what they gave us right here. Okay? So I'm going to make my first cloud. I'm going to say angle A is 120 degrees. Does everyone have this on their paper already? Now, how do I know A is equal to 120 degrees? That is in the problem, so that is a given. Now it wants me to find C. So here's A, here's C. So what you have to know is what kind of angles they are. Then, depending on what kind of angles they are, then you know if they're congruent or supplementary or complementary. Those are the only three kinds we have. Equal, 180, or 90. That's it. So these kind of angles, are they in the same group or different group? Okay, so are they what kind of angles? Lee or Angelica, can you tell me? What kind are they? Are they, there's four kind, huh? Are they corresponding? Same side interior, alternate interior, alternate exterior. They are not kissing birds because kissing birds would be in the same group, so they would not be kissing birds. What kind do you think they're? So let me have you do this. Color the inside. Here's P, here's R. Color the inside. Are they both in the inside? No, so they would not be inside. Are they both outside? Exactly. So what kind do you say, Ali, they are? They're what? So are they... Exactly. They're corresponding, Francesca. They're in the same spot in both groups. Exactly. They should be corresponding. Now, corresponding angles, if you look at the notes, A and C are corresponding. So if you look at the notes, if their lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are congruent. If the lines are parallel, corresponding angles are congruent. So my question for you, they are corresponding. Are the lines parallel? It tells us, right, Stephanie? Exactly. It tells us right there. The lines are parallel. So, because the lines are parallel, P is parallel to R, what does that tell you about A and C? They are what? No. The lines are parallel. If the lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are congruent. They're equal. So then angle A is equal to angle C because the lines are parallel. When the lines are parallel, angle A and C are congruent, are equal, are the same. So because they're the same, then angle C is also the same thing as A. A is how much? 120. So angle C is also 120. They're the same. And they're the same because there are corresponding angles. That would be your answer for C, for letter C. Are we ready to do angle G? So angle G. We know angle A already, right? We need to know angle G. Okay, so you could do this more than one way. You also know C and you know G, and you're trying to figure out G. So you could do it from A. What kind of angles are A and G? Vertical. Then you would make a little arrow and do G. You could also say what kind of angles are C and G? What do they make? Exactly, they make an X, just like Ali's showing us with her hands. Or you could do the and work from C. You could do it from A or you could do it from C. So we did that one together. And then F, you have more angles and you can use what you already have. Okay, so please finish the rest of number 1.